Hi, this is Linzi from Sweet Natured, and this is our review of the Indochine restaurant on board MSC's Virtuosa. As always, I'm joined by Mikey.
Hello.
Hello. Who put the video together, and this is my first time watching, so let's see what we can see.
As you said, Linz, this is our review of the Indochine restaurant, which is a French-Vietnamese-Asian fusion on MSC Virtuosa.
That's not easy to say when you've had a few.
It's not, it's a mouthful, that, isn't it? Now, if you go in with their dining experience, this is $49 or €49 per person. If you take the multiple package, so the 3-package, 4-package specialty dining, then it works out much cheaper.
I'm going to say, because $49 per person seems pricey.
It does. It seems very expensive.
Wowzers.
It also has a la carte options as well. So your $49 one is a fixed choice of options, whereas a la carte you can pick what you want, but it is much more expensive.
Yes, yes.
As a guide to how much more expensive, the beef tartare, the Wagyu beef tartare that you had, you paid extra for doing it. So you can swap out any part of the dining experience and get the main a la carte one at a 50% discount.
Yes.
If you hadn't have had the discount on it, your beef tartare would have cost you $25.
No, it wouldn't. I wouldn't have had it.
Well, that's true. You probably wouldn't have. They had some good cocktails in here,
Yes.
which you could only get in here as well. So obviously we did partake.
Yes.
And if you have got the premium drinks package, they're included within.
They were included, yes.
So we didn't have to pay anything extra for them, and which I think is good. You shouldn't have to pay extra just because you're in a specialty restaurant.
No, no. And it's quite a hefty menu as well, isn't it?
It's a decent-sized menu. It's obviously much bigger if you go a la carte. Cocktails, you had the Lulu May, and I had the Indochine Martini.
Oh, I didn't like that, did I?
Which one?
My Lulu May. Did I?
You thought you were okay.
Oh, what?
Whereas my Martini, they were lovely.
Oh, I honestly don't remember.
They start you off with, we had the dining package, as we've mentioned, and
Yes.
they start you off with vegetable spring rolls and Vietnamese
Summer rolls.
Vietnamese summer rolls, with a selection of dips and sauces.
These are supposed to be an amuse bouche.
A little pre-starter, if
They're
you will.
huge.
They were massive, weren't they? And, I mean, you can see, each of us had 2 of those, like you're holding there, and then you had 2 of the spring rolls as well, which...
We were done then.
We were, and we've mentioned this when we've talked about our full MSC dining guide, that the portion sizes are a little bit out of whack on here. But before we get onto that, would you like to invite people to subscribe, Linz?
As always, I would love to invite people to subscribe. Thank you if you already have done.
And you can follow us on various social medias, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, etc. at Sweet Natured. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can also join our YouTube membership.
Thank you.
Starters. So I had the snapper carpaccio, that was included, but you decided that you wanted to upgrade to the beef tartare.
Yeah.
Look at the size of it.
It's huge.
It's like a half-pound burger flattened.
Yes. I was...
You were overfaced, weren't you,
I was
as soon
over
as it came?
as soon as it came out. I was like, again, it's one of those things. What I thought I was ordering and what I was actually receiving were 2 different things.
Now, just to be clear, the food was all tasty. It was just, it
Huge.
arrived very fast
Yeah.
and it was very big. For the main courses, I ordered the caramelised pork belly and you had the beef, what you thought was a bao bun. Again. And it wasn't a beef bao bun, it was a beef bo bun.
Yeah.
Which basically is a huge stew.
There's no buns. There's no buns.
There's a lot of noodles. So as you sort of might see in a second, Lindsay appears to be eating something different now.
Oh, thank you, darling, for swapping.
Which, you said that was really tasty.
You did try some of it, though. It was really good. But, yeah, it's, again, the portion was huge. And what I thought I was ordering and what I got was 2 different things.
Well, I took yours and I kept eating it and it wasn't going down.
It didn't go down at all.
So I still had a load left.
Now, this was fabulous.
Your grandma needed souffle, but you had to pay an extra $4.50 for that.
I did?
Yeah. That wasn't on the main menu.
Oh, my goodness.
So a lot of the choices in here are on the a la carte if you're on the dining experience. But would I pay the full price of what they are on the a la carte?
No.
No, because I thought it was expensive. It's a lovely restaurant. It is quite rushed. We were in and out of there in less than an hour and a half. And the portion sizes are just too big to eat in that time.
Yeah.
If we'd had 3 hours there, I'd have probably been all right.
Yes.
Yeah, it's worth going as part of a dining package. A la carte, I'm not as sure.
No.
But overall, we give it 6.5 out of 10.
Oh.
And that's the end of another video.
Well, thank you, darling. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, and thank you for watching.